Good evening. A very nasty market. Open gapped up, took out the highs, and immediately came back down to touch the support. What does this mean? So this means that it has trapped all the bulls, the gap traders, scalpers in the morning, and then moved sideways for a while and then again just shoot up to the downside. So it took out the low of this green bar as well as no previous three bars. So this means that the selling which came today is very strong. It has broken the support in the intraday time frame, in the 60-minute time frame as well. Now, although I have mentioned that often the momentum moves like this, leaves the void to the other side. However, this move has just started from the base. This means that it has more steam left to move to the downside. And we do not have any strong support to the left. That can be clearly seen from here. We do not have any support here. And the possibility is that it might continue to move down until it finds some strong support or build support, which it could take as a launching pad to the upside. However, it could be a new turn, and from here, because the prices were in the moving in the same direction from past many weeks, and this kind of profit booking or a small pullback was expected. It was already there on the cards. So now how far it can stretch or how far it can pull back, that we have to see. As of now, it looks like that after this initiating move to the downside, we might see more pullback in the coming days. So as of now, the possibility looks like that it might come down to catch up with the rising 20 MA, and it might reach up to somewhere here at this support area, which is around 17,652. If the bulls were really strong, it might create a support probably somewhere around these gap fill areas, and then it will try to move back up again. So we have to see how far it can stretch and where bulls will come up and show their power. As of now, it is just a good starting move for the pullback, and after such a run up to the upside, the pullback is considered as a healthy consolidation or a healthy price action, because it will build the confidence before we take the long trades, go to the long side. So that's about it. Now let's just jump on to Banknifty and see what kind of price action do we have there. We have a topping tail in Banknifty. It has taken out the high of this pivot high, which we have discussed in yesterday's video. So this high was already taken out now, and the sellers, so it looks like that it's a market wide selling which came today, and however it has only taken out the low of this candle bar, and which means that the selling was kind of under control of the buyers, and probably that is why it was unable to take the lows and move down to the support area. So as compared to Nifty, Bank Nifty is looking probably stronger, and let's see. So what I'm expecting is that it should come down and retest these areas of support. We do know this pivot high which we discussed yesterday is now has lost its value. So we have this new pivot high from today. What I'm expecting is that prices should spend more time here. So let's say a week or two, And if they just take out this low, make a bottoming tail bar kind of a candle here, and if then it will just start to move back up, that would be a plus to me. But as of now, it looks like that a pullback is on the cards, and we might see more downside price movement going forward. It also looks like a kind of M-top pattern that it has created. And if that is the case, then let's just measure, just clean this up first. So the high from here is almost 770 points. So if you just calculate it from here, the 700 points movement would be somewhere come down to this area. Okay, so probably this is what we might see. That prices will spend more time here, will dip down, make a bottoming candle here, and then will start to move back up. And if that will happen, then we will have more confidence in the trend, because then we will not have any strong resistance to the left. So I think pullback is definitely there, and we need to be very cautious in our trades, especially the long trades. So in my opinion, we should avoid the long trades until and unless this pullback or consolidation stops and prices will start to form new highs. Intraday, again, we can take the trades based on the time, based on the trend and the price action on the 60-minute and the 5-minute. So that's about it in this analysis. Hope you have enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe the channel. Catch you in the next session. Good night.